What are you doing now? You look so sad. What happened?
Nothing. I'm waiting for someone to buy my machines. This one machine is with well conditions and high quality, but I can't sell it.
Yes, it looks top performance. So
Yeah.
I can help you. So how much is it?
Yes, as you can see, this machine is very good, and we will sell it at $40,000.
$40,000.
Yep.
Are you nuts? They're our family. Cheaper, please.
Cheaper?
Yes.
Okay, if you really want it, I can offer you at $40,000. Okay.
Give me your best price.
Best price?
Yes.
Okay. The best price I can offer you is $30,000.
All right,
Okay.
$30,000. Family, look at this excavator. Do you love it? DM me. Love you.